Made of lightweight aluminum, this table measures 23.6 L x 17.7 W and the height adjusts from 10.2 to 22.5. Easy to set up and take down and with a carry handle, this table is perfect for camping, tailgating or picnicking. Use by itself or put several together to make a long, buffet-style table. This tabletop should not stay wet. Wipe away any liquid promptly. The surface can easily be cleaned with a damp cloth. Made with superior quality by Trademark Innovations. Top reviews from the United States. Great camp table. This is my second one. The first one is still going strong. I love them. They are easy and quick to break down and the legs store under the top. Unlike other tables where you're constantly looking for the legs. I carry this one around in my SUV for impromptu roadside relaxation. It's sturdy and lightweight.